Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a mat that is a nice length and also is super easy to open and to store? That's exactly what you're going to get from this great 75-inch mat from ILILI. I didn't think that this mat would be as comfortable as it is when I first saw it, because if I see a foldable mat, I think that it's thin. But honestly, it is nice and thick and cushioned, and it's been great for all of my workouts. I really like the non-slip bottom and also the non-slip top when I'm exercising. I've used this mat with socks, no socks, and with shoes, and have found great results when I'm doing my workout. One of my favorite things is I travel and go to different gyms because I teach classes, so having this mat with me where I can easily open it, spread it across the floor is so nice. It's also really lightweight at the same time as being durable, so it makes it really easy to carry with me as well. Very, very quickly, you can go from having this mat stored in a nice spot to completely open and ready for your workouts. I didn't think that I would like this mat as much as I have because you don't usually see a foldable mat. But honestly, this has become one of my favorite ones to use. I love that cushioning and I love how easy it is to quickly open it and close it up, making it one of my very favorite mats now. And that's my point of view.